Hey guys, it's Aidette. I have a confession. Can you guys keep a secret if I tell you something? It's not something that I'm proud of, but it's real, it's true. Girls are doing this every single year and you guys don't even know. I have spent $10,000 on skincare. Not only skincare, but it's also been like injectables, aka Botox. I feel like we all collectively in our 20s have been really into skincare, and as we should, because we should be doing skincare since we're like even in our teenage years. I have not been getting Botox in months, and I'm gonna tell you guys the secret why. This is the Ulike ReGlow Light Therapy Mask. I am obsessed with her. I've been using her for 3 months. I stopped getting Botox because of my Ulike LED mask. It's insane, I know, for us girlies that love Botox. I have been feeling so rejuvenated. My skin scarring has been fading away. I'm gonna be putting some before and after pictures right here. This was 3 months ago. You guys see that big difference? I had a lot of blemishes. My skin was red. I had a lot of just like hyperpigmentation. We have so many modes on this mask that I'll show you guys in just a second. You can touch on so many different problem areas on your face. I switch up all the different 4 modes that they have on this mask so I can get like the full spa effect. But this mask has saved me so much money, and so many times at the spa I don't need to be going to the spa as often as I was going. It's really crazy though, because I didn't know that all I needed was an LED therapy mask for me to see anti-aging results, and so no more need for Botox. Guys, that's like, again, life-changing. Before we get into the demonstration, because I have a whole routine that I like to do, just a few facts about Ulike. So there's been 12 plus years at the forefront of skincare innovation with advanced light therapy, and it's amazing because it's expert approved with the support of Michael R. Hamblin, doctor, may I add, very important, and he's also a renowned pioneer in light therapy. But the fact that really blew me away is that this device is trusted by 7 million users worldwide. Now getting into the juicy stuff, so this does have 4-in-1 therapy mode, and you see all these little lights in here. Yeah, that's 272 powered LEDs, and you also see like the mirroring in there. It has 360-degree mirror reflection technology and functions, but I did not know that this was even a thing. So I like it's also not going to make you feel like you're suffocating, and like right in the mask 1 centimeter spacing, which is obviously much more comfortable. And girl, I got these big eyelashes on, so this is gonna be perfect. So we love the eye friendly shields also, and a huge one. It's FDA approved, and along with other safety certifications. Don't put just anything on your face. Don't. Let's turn on the ReGlow mask on by pressing this button right here. These are the 4-in-1 therapy modes that I was talking about. We have glow, firm, rejuvenate, and clear. All different purposes for your face. Different color, different mode. This one is glow, this one is firm, this is rejuvenate, and this is clear. Kind of my favorite because it's pink. As I was saying before, it has 272 LED lights, which means that it has 2 times the amount of LED lights that a regular mask would have, so you get 2 times the results. Earlier when I was talking about the 360 mirror technology, that enhances the maximum coverage, so it's going all around your face, literally 360 degrees, which results in getting you faster results. So with the other mask brands that aren't the Ulike ReGlow, they're leaving a bunch of untreated areas due to less brightness and less coverage. Now the fun part, let's get into the demonstration. This is my favorite part. Let's dive into my facial routine. So first things first, I already cleansed my face, and now I'm applying a hydrating mist. Now step 2, turn on the mask, and let's go into glow mode first. Bow's gonna be off. Glow mode is going to be brightening and evening my skin tone, and I'm going to have this on for 10 minutes. So I'm actually hungry right now, so I'm going to go cut up and make a snack, and I can literally do that in 10 minutes while I have my skincare going. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. My snack was way too good, so now let's go into step 3. Now we're going to go on to firm, which is the second button here. We're going to do this for 10 minutes. This is going to tighten our skin, and it's going to reduce wrinkles. I'm going to do some reorganizing for the next 10 minutes while using this mask, so let's go reorganize my bathroom because she is a mess. Let's take it back a little bit. I've been documenting myself these past few weeks using the mask at the most random moments. This is how portable and great this is. I use it in the car when I'm being driven around and I'm doing some work on the phone, and then also after a shower. My skin feels so pretty and plump. I love how it came out. Do you guys see the difference? So step 4, I'm going to be applying a hydrating mask. Oh, this always feels like such a reward because we did 20 minutes of a beautiful skin routine. We're nice, we're supple, and we're just glowing. My skin truly looks like water. If this doesn't show the results, I truly don't know what will, because my skin looks amazing. Now the last step is really just being super consistent with it. Since I have been doing this for 3 months, I've already been using it much longer than the standard, but I just really love implementing this into my routine. It's really just become like second nature at this point. At least 6 times a week is going to give you the best, most ultimate results. Being consistent for like 6 to 8 weeks is going to give you the best results, but like I said, I've been going longer and I love it. I've spent like over 10K on going to the spa, getting injections, things like that. You like ReGlow. That's all you need. Why pay thousands when this mask gives unlimited pro treatments at home? I'm honestly so grateful that I'm getting spa quality results for the smallest fraction of the price that I would be paying in a year. If you're someone who's scared about invasive procedures, I don't blame you. It is pretty scary. The amazing thing is that this is a non-invasive anti-aging treatment. Botox simply does not have to be for you. I know that personally this LED mask makes me glow without the needle. This is such an amazing non-invasive alternative for Botox. Most of us want natural, right? So this is a perfect natural anti-aging solution. I do want to note though, guys, just for your own discretion, this is not for use with photosensitive skincare products. As you guys might not know, sensitive skin needs to be tested under dermatologist supervision just for safety. So again, here's my before and after. What do you guys think? Keep in mind that results may vary and this is not a medical device. This beautiful baby again is the Ulike ReGlow, a one-time cost versus repeated salon expenses. And again, I love that this is FDA approved and actually has eye protection unlike other brands. But you guys can use my code Aidette for a very special discount plus free $80 hydrating face mask. Thank you to my angels at Ulike for working with me and also for gifting me my daily anti-aging essential mask. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah.